Hey guys, my name is Costa, and in today's video I'm gonna try the new model by Claude called Fabel 5. I've seen a lot of hype around this model and I know that it's the same with every single new release, but this time seems different. This model seems really legit. So today we are gonna see if we have to switch from Framer to Claude or not. What I'm gonna do, I will go to the Framer website, copy their URL, go inside ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT, create a prompt based on what you see on this URL homepage so that I can use it inside Claude Code and create an identical website. Let's wait now and see you in a bit. Okay, now I'm gonna copy this prompt, go inside Claude, paste it, and why I'm actually not taking a screenshot of the website, because I want to see how good is Claude like in terms of imagination to create something, because if I provide a screenshot of this, basically it's gonna copy everything and I don't want to copy it. I want just to see how good it is. If I provide a good prompt, in this case it's a very specific prompt because it's created by ChatGPT. But if it works with this prompt, then it's gonna work also with a less specific prompt, let's say created by a human. All right, so that is the website, guys. I expect way more, and I think I've been fooled by the hype, because look at these shadows, they are being cut off here, and the forever UI AI slope illustrations here. Yeah, I'm not really satisfied with this model, and let me show you. It took, I think, 18 minutes to finish. I can't see it anymore, but yeah, it took about 18 minutes to finish, and it didn't take that much credits though, so that is good, but the result is really bad in my opinion, and it doesn't compare, of course, with the Framer website at all. Now let's try something else. I'm gonna take a screenshot of the godly website to see if it's actually able to create a much better website if it's from a screenshot. So I deleted the previous version. Now let's paste this inside and say build this website. And I guess this is it. Now let's see. Okay, so now I can see actually that it took way more credits than I thought. Yeah, so it took 39% of my credits and the result was really bad. Now let's see with this one right here and see how much credits is gonna take and how good it's gonna look. Okay, so this one actually looks way better, and it is because it's a very simple design. And yeah, I also provided a screenshot. So basically all it had to do is just to copy the structure of this website. Now this one took about 8 minutes to finish, and it took like, I don't know, 20% of my credits or something like this, or even less. So yeah, it works better with references, but I believe you can get the same result with the older version of Claude, with the Opus 4.8. So I don't think it's worth actually switching to this new model, which is way more costly and doesn't provide a huge difference in terms of design. So should you switch from Framer to Claude Code? I believe you can use both of them, and it all depends on your clients or on your business. For example, if you build a website inside Claude Code, you can host it for free on Vercel. For a small business, it is a really good option. But if you want to have more flexibility, like design flexibility, then Framer is definitely your platform for this. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. See you next time.